Lady, took me down to where I've been lately. Yeah, her love can make a person hazy. Praying she won't break me.
Hello my loves, today we'll have a very quick hair tutorial on how to fix a bad curly hair day. So we'll bring our head upside down, we'll brush our hair fluffing it like I'm showing using only our fingers. This way we will not break our curls. Then using our donut bun, as you can see, bring it through your hair making a high ponytail but using only this donut bun. Then you want to use some bobby pins to fix it in place. I used only 3 because I want this loose bun look. Then I'll use some oil and I'll spread my curls all around, pinning them in place using 3 or 4 bobby pins. Sometimes happens when you try a new hair hack like I did. I just did some heatless overnight TikTok curls and it didn't turn so well out. So I did this bun. So to our tutorial. Now I'll use a clear elastic and I'll bring it through my bun to fix it better in place. If you have any hair sticking out like I do in the back, make sure to tuck her into the elastic and you're just good to go.
Praying she won't break me down. Yeah. What are you doing to me now? You found a way to me somehow. Now you're all I ever dream about.
If you enjoyed this quick hairstyle fix for our bad hair day, please don't forget about thumbs up. Also, you can make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new hair tutorial here on my YouTube channel. And guys, if you have any hairstyles requests or maybe video requests for Awesome Hairstyles channel, please let me know in comments down below, so I'll make sure to make your request as soon as possible. But that's it for today. Love you lots. Bye!